that certain night, the night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, wore such a frown. How could he know we two were so in love? The whole darn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How strange it was, how sweet and strange. There was never a dream to compare with that hazy, crazy night we met, when a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. How this heart of mine beat loud and fast, like a merry-go-round in a fair. And we were dancing cheek to cheek, when a nightingale sang Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all golden blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember when you smiled and said, was that a dream or was it true? Our homeward steps were just as light as the dancing feet of the stair. And like an echo far away, nightingale sang in Berkeley. That night in Berkeley, that night in